Okay, so essentially the big idea with this one is that you're taking 3h cubed and you're multiplying it together 4 times. That means that let's just write it out. Okay, we'll talk about what the rule is. That's like 3 times h oops, times h, right? And I'm going to actually just cut that and say, okay, that times that, and total of 4 times, right? So uh, basically like that. Yeah? Okay, and if we were to rearrange these then, what you would be getting would be this 3 times this 3, right? Times this 3 times this 3. And then all of these h's times these h's times these h's times these h's. And if I cut those out and put them there, you'd say that uh, multiplied together 4 times. So h times h times h times h. Here, let me see if I can duplicate this. And copy it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it. Okay, so what we get then is that's h times 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 h. You could see the groups of them uh, like this. Right? So, and let me just get this one out of there. Oops. That's extraneous. Okay, so you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4 threes right there, times your 4 groups of h times 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 h. Okay, and essentially the real trick is to just say this exponent goes on the 3 and it also goes on the h cubed. And what you get then is 3 times 3 is 9. And I could actually group these just for fun. Like you could say, let's group those like that. They're still all getting multiplied together to get a 9 times a 9, right? Which gives you your 81. And then how many times are we multiplying the h together? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember when you raise a power to a power, you multiply them and you get h to the 12th. And so you get 81 h to the 12th, which is D.